Hi everyone! If you're selling social media accounts or SMM services, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to become a supplier on HstockPlus. First, go to the login page. Make sure you select Supplier. Enter your email and code to log in, of course. You can log in directly using your Gmail, which makes the process even faster. You'll be taken to your supplier dashboard. The next step is to create your shop. From the top menu, click Settings. In the Shop Settings section, fill in the following information: shop name, generate shop URL. Upload your shop avatar, upload your shop banner. You can set up a Telegram connection to HstockPlus. After completing everything, click Save Settings. That's it, your shop is now created and ready. Now, you can start at your products. Go to the menu and click My Products. Then enter product name, price, stock quantity. Please note, this stock number is not your real inventory. It's only the quantity shown to buyers. When all is ready, simply click Publish Product. Your product is now live if you have your own system. HstockPlus also supports API integration, allowing automatic delivery and inventory management. And that's how you become a supplier on HstockPlus. Everything can be done in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.